What is the traditional Indian greeting where one presses their palms together and bows slightly? Namaste is a widely used greeting in India, signifying respect and acknowledgement. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights and is celebrated with diyas, sweets, and fireworks? Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. In many parts of India, what is the significance of applying a tilak or bindi on the forehead? The tilak bindi is often applied during religious ceremonies or as a mark of devotion and auspiciousness. Which traditional Indian attire for women consists of a long piece of unstitched cloth draped around the body? The sari is a quintessential Indian garment, worn in various styles across different regions. What is the significance of the Mangalsutra, worn by married Hindu women? The Mangalsutra is a sacred necklace signifying the bond of marriage and the well-being of the husband. Which Indian dance form is known for its elaborate costumes, intricate hand gestures, mudras, and expressive facial movements? Kathakali is a highly stylized classical dance drama from Kerala. What is the Dandiya Ras primarily associated with? Dandiya Ras is a lively folk dance performed during the Navratri festival, especially in Gujarat. Which ceremony marks the formal beginning of a Hindu wedding, where the bride's parents give her away? Kanyadan is a significant ritual where the father gives his daughter's hand to the groom. What is the practice of Atithi Devo Bhava in Indian culture? Atithi Devo Bhava translates to guest is God and emphasizes the importance of hospitality. Which traditional Indian art form involves painting intricate patterns with colored powders, especially during festivals? Rangoli designs are created on floors during festivals to welcome deities and bring good luck. What is the traditional Indian system of medicine that emphasizes a holistic approach to health and well-being? Ayurveda is an ancient system of medicine with a long history in India. Which ritual involves offering prayers and food to ancestors, often performed during Pitru Paksha? Shraddha is a Hindu ritual performed to pay homage to one's ancestors. What is the significance of touching the feet of elders in Indian culture? Touching the feet is a traditional way to show respect and seek blessings from elders. Which Indian tradition involves fasting and feasting, with communal prayers during the holy month of Ramadan? Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, a month of fasting for Muslims. What is the Guru Shishya Parampara in Indian tradition? This tradition signifies the sacred bond and transmission of knowledge from a teacher to a student. Which vibrant festival involves people splashing colored water and powders on each other. Holi is known for its joyful and colorful celebrations. What is the traditional practice of Jalneti, primarily associated with? Jalneti is a yogic technique for nasal cleansing. Which South Indian harvest festival is celebrated with the boiling of new rice with milk and jaggery? Pongal is a major harvest festival celebrated primarily in Tamil Nadu. What is the significance of tying a Rakhi on Raksha Bandhan? Rakhi symbolizes the bond of love and protection between siblings. Which traditional Indian instrument is a stringed instrument with a long neck and multiple strings, often used in Hindustani classical music? The sitar is an iconic Indian classical musical instrument. What is the custom of Bhumi Pujan typically performed for? Bhumi Pujan is a Hindu ritual to worship the land before starting construction. Which traditional Indian attire for men is a long, loose shirt worn with pajamas or trousers? The kurta is a versatile and common garment for men in India. What is the significance of the Arangetram ceremony in Indian classical dance? Arangetram marks a dancer's debut public performance after years of training. Which popular street food in India is often served with a spicy, tangy water and various fillings? Pani Puri, also known as Golgappe, is a beloved street snack across India. What is the Vastu Shastra in Indian tradition primarily concerned with? Vastu Shastra is an ancient Indian system of architecture that focuses on harmony and energy flow.